Royale Coffee Blend, 8-in-1 coffee, a healthy coffee loaded with super antioxidant. Its 3 basic ingredients are coffee, milk, sugar, sucralose. Its 5 active ingredients are spirulina for nourishment, ginseng for energy, Ganoderma for longevity, grapeseed, anti-aging, Agathicus blazemuril, anti-hypertension and anti-cancer. Royale Coffee Blend,